Hi, I'm Logan Vincent. I'm one of the first-year cardiology fellows at the University of Washington, and I'm here with Dr. Sara Saberi from University of Michigan. Good morning, Dr. Saberi.
Good morning. It's nice to be here.
Yeah. Kind of kicking off ACC 2018, are there any specific sessions that you're looking forward to this conference?
So, hypertrophic cardiomyopathy is my shtick, so I always go through the schedule first thing and type in hypertrophic cardiomyopathy to see, who's doing what. So honestly, it's not a particular session other than the poster sessions. I always make a point to go to the poster sessions. I think that's where I learn what people are thinking about, what they think is interesting, or a question that needs to be answered. And you'd be surprised how much that actually affects my own thinking about kind of what my next project is, or, oh, they've tried this, that didn't work, I'm not going to waste my time, that kind of thing. So, yeah, that's why I stumbled in here, actually.
Perfect. Well, that's very insightful and definitely helpful for a fellow early in her training. I know that last year you were one of the presenters at one of the late-breaking clinical trials on exercise in patients with hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, and I would love to hear any recommendations that you have for someone at my end of the training process and how you got to where you were standing.
It was a lot of hard work. I will not lie or take away from the amount of kind of sweat, blood, and tears that went into that clinical trial. And I have to say that I did not start that trial with the aim of, standing on the podium. I started that trial out of kind of questions that arose in clinic and watching patients really suffer from their fear and anxiety about just climbing a flight of stairs with a basket of laundry. But it was super exciting and thrilling to kind of get the reception that the trial did, and to be able to really kind of make a splash with the trial and bring attention to a topic that I think is really profoundly important. How do you get there? So, I received a very small but important piece of advice from the dean of the dental school, of all places, who said, lead with your science. Meaning, and then she went on to say, no one is found or, awarded for being administrator of the year later in their career, but they are rewarded for being great scientists. And I think that small piece of advice has been really important to me, and I think that is where we start, is just finding what it is that you're passionate about and following that lead and finding great mentors who will really invest in you as opposed to investing in themselves or what they can, what you can do for them as a mentor. Those are huge things that have really shaped me.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your insights. Certainly helpful to hear how we can use our patients to teach us what we're interested in. For more videos like this, please go to youtube.com/FITsontheGO.